Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss trash settings in Joforce CRM. In Joforce CRM, you can delete the unnecessary records from your modules, and also you can restore it back to the required module if necessary. So let's see how to trash your records. Now select any module. After that, select all the records that you want to delete from the modules just by clicking the checkboxes. After selecting, click the Delete option from the drop-down. Now, choose Yes to delete your records. Now, move on to the Settings page. And select Trash from the Log section. In here, you can see the list of all the deleted records from all the modules. Now you can permanently delete these records by clicking on Empty Recycle Bin. Also, you can delete a particular record right from here. If you want to restore the records, just click on the restore icon. Move on to the filter box icon. Here you have the list of all the modules, and this helps to filter all the deleted records from a particular module. Here you can select a particular module to delete your records. I'm just deleting this record right from here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.